Final
decision.
Number 17 ang answer.
Ano ba?
Traditional.
Traditional or one-on-one interview.
Ano number 7?
Yes, sakto.
18. Group interview.
Group interview.
19.
Stress.
Stress.
Sir,
Na?
Number 20, star method.
Oh. May kalibog naman doon na.
Ay, nakalimot sa iyo.
Isa ko.
One-on-one interview na number 7. One-on-one interview.
Oh.
Dapat na isakto.
Traditional or one-on-one?
Star method.
Hindi, yan naman tadi. Ay, nagtapunta na.
Oh, number 5. Enumeration. Anyway, sir. Self-assessment, goal setting, skill development, career exploration, action planning, adaptability, and flexibility.
Action plan.
Action planning.
Why action plan?
Career statement, sir.
Goal setting.
Joy adaptability and flexibility.
Dario.
Career planning.
Check man
Ay,
tayo.
nakatuyo naman yung kasunod. Waya, pero naman sumusan at kulit ang kasunod.
When career planning.
Pareha na to.
Career statement mo yan.
Pareha na to.
Number 2. Pamati ka mo, wala ang setting. Sama nito. Number 2, wrong researching career options, exploring industries, identifying global requirements, studying company profiles.
Sir, ako ha, sir. Can you repeat? Wala siya sa pilitin. Taglaw na nito. Taglaw na nito. Bakit job mo?
Ang internship, sir, di ba daw pin? Aw.
Alam mo yung nag-integrity.
Di ba kayo sa...
Number 3,
Walang ibalini.
number 3, technical or assessment, case or problem solving, behavioral, sama na yan, ay kailangan sa kasabot. Tapos na uno man sa pwede. Technical or assessment, case or problem solving, behavioral, situational, stress, or final round. And final round.
Sir, if final interview na, sir, why not? May final interview.
Sir, final interview.
Sir, why planning?
Nasa report ko.
Number 4, di ba mo na number 4 at least 2? Sa number 4 at least 2?
Number 5 key parts.
5 key parts of the resume.
Ano yung number?
Gamot kung ano mo interview with.
Behavioral.
Sa